We're Adam and Joanne from InspiredTaste.net, and welcome to our kitchen.
We are showing you how to make our ridiculously easy blueberry crumble with perfectly cooked blueberries topped with a buttery oat crumble. I'm using fresh blueberries, but we provide tips for frozen berries on Inspired Taste. Add a little lemon juice, or if you don't have lemon, simply add a tablespoon of water. Next, scatter over some flour, which thickens the blueberry juices. Now add sugar. It's a good idea to taste your berries first to see how tart they are, which allows you to adjust the sugar amount. Add a pinch of salt, and then toss really well. The full recipe with ingredient amounts and tips is found on Inspired Taste. Now for the topping. For the best texture, we use a blend of flour and rolled oats. To sweeten the topping and help it brown, you need some sugar. I'm using a combination of sugars, but using just one type is fine. Add a bit of salt and then give it a good stir. For the best blueberry crumble, use melted butter. Just pour it in and stir until all of the flour and oats are moistened. If you don't eat butter, try melted coconut oil. The full recipe with ingredient amounts is found on Inspired Taste. Okay, we're almost done. Scatter the topping all over the blueberries. I like to squeeze bits of the topping together to create small clumps, which will turn crunchy in the oven. Bake the crumble until the filling is bubbling and the topping is golden brown. And then when it's cooled off a little, dive in. And that's it. Ridiculously easy blueberry crumble. It's so delicious. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If you love this video, we have lots more. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and say hi on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. We're at Inspired Taste.